Hello everyone. China, a complete travel experience. China is one of the world's most fascinating travel destinations, offering a powerful blend of ancient history, rich culture, and modern innovation. With a civilization that spans over 5,000 years, every corner of China tells a story. The journey often begins with iconic landmarks like the Great Wall, stretching across mountains and valleys, symbolizing the strength and vision of ancient China. Historic sites such as the Forbidden City and the Terracotta Army reveal the country's royal past and architectural brilliance. Modern China is equally impressive. Cities like Shanghai, Beijing, and Shenzhen showcase futuristic skylines, world-class infrastructure, and advanced technology. High-speed trains connect cities at incredible speeds, making travel efficient and comfortable. China's natural beauty is vast and diverse. From the peaceful rice terraces of Guilin to the dramatic mountains of Zhangjiajie, the landscapes feel almost unreal. Rivers, deserts, forests, and snow-covered peaks make China a paradise for nature lovers. Food is a major part of the travel experience. Chinese cuisine is incredibly diverse, with each region offering unique flavors. From street food to fine dining, dishes like dumplings, noodles, hot pot, and Peking duck reflect deep cultural traditions. Daily life in China is vibrant and energetic. Traditional markets, quiet temples, local tea houses, and lively night streets show the balance between tradition and modern living. Festivals, customs, and local hospitality make visitors feel connected to the culture. Traveling in China is safe, organized, and full of surprises. Whether you are exploring ancient history, enjoying modern cities, or discovering natural wonders, China delivers an unforgettable travel experience. China is not just a country to visit, it's a journey through time, culture, and innovation.